Hey guys, Jagist here. This is Jagist Reviews. Alright, so today we are taking a look at the W King X20 Adventure Series Wireless Speaker. So this is brand new. It is W King's version basically of the JBL boombox. I definitely wanted to get one to put it up against all my other speakers and stuff, because I actually really like W King, like my T11. Solid speaker, held its own super well against all the other speakers. But this one looks sick. So let's see. So it says, alright, so it looks like it says 200 watt speaker power, which is pretty dang impressive. That's more than the JBL Boombox 3 and Wi-Fi edition, if it's real. Ups to 60 watt bi-directional fast charging. Okay, so you can fast charge your phones and things with this as well, which is actually really cool. IPX7, so it's waterproof. It's not the 6.7, so I don't know if it's dust proof, but it is waterproof. Long play time. And it comes with an app, which is super nice. So it's one of the first speakers, this and the D320, or whichever one that smaller one is, all has the apps. So there's just a cool picture. See if there's anything else on this bad boy. All right, there is not. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. And it is pretty massive. It weighs almost 16 pounds. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. All right. Let's see what we got in here. Alright guys, so, oh crap, yeah, it weighs quite a large amount. There she is. She's pretty. It's huge. Oops, sorry, I knocked the camera. My bad. Alright guys, so it comes with this little W King box. It looks like we've got, oh nice, it comes with a carrying strap, which is awesome. And it has a bottle opener on it. USB-C, so do you charge this with a USB-C? That's cool. So no barrel charger or anything. What? That's dope. Alright guys, let's take a look. Yeah, this thing is heavy. It's definitely heavier than the JBL Boombox, for sure. So we've got a power button. We've got plus and minus, play, and I'm assuming play pause. We've got a bass up button. We've got some 4 1/4 passive radiators. These are glass, tempered glass. And then it says 1 big passive radiator in the back. Now we've got a mic guitar input and a mic input, a card slot, USB-C charging. This is one of the first big speakers that charges with USB-C. So no more barrel charger, no more of the, whatever the other charger's called, you know what I'm talking about, but USB-C, which is amazing. So you can literally take a power bank, hook it up to this, and get even more playtime out of it. So I'm really excited about that. I am going to see if we got some juice. It's got a little juice.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay. So it's got a little bit of juice. Let's go ahead and I'm going to plug it in real quick. Let's do a quick sound sample on it and see what it's capable of. Alright guys, I got it plugged in. Let's go ahead and do a quick sound sample. And I think we'll get it up to about halfway up. No bass boost yet.
You will never understand what I went through. You never were a good listener. A good listener. But now I'm fed up, wanna take it all back, 'cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for guidance, shadow. Better get it right this time around. Yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so live along for guidance, shadow. Better get it right this time around. I never heard a silence so loud before. I'm gonna love every minute of it, every second of it. Longing for that sound of you being gone, so I can hear my thoughts again, hear my thoughts again. So is this gonna take all night? Don't wanna waste no more time, yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my loved ones, but now I'm fed up, gonna take it all back, 'cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along.
All right, let's do some foreplay. Turn it up. Try a little make you mine real quick.
I just wanna make you mine,
Oh yeah.
mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're just gonna do that for the sound sample and unboxing. I'm going to be putting this up against all of the other speakers I have. I will just tell you this, it does have super impressive bass. Does it go lower than like the JBL Encore? This we will see. It does sound like it's going super low. It's got a great amount of bass. Also, it's got the app, so I'm gonna go on there, see if I can adjust the bass and different things. But I will tell you this, it's loud. That was only at 70%, and that was really good sounding. I'm actually super impressed so far. And the sound is wide, super wide. You can hear the left and right channel very well. It sounds super open with this speaker, so I'm not sure exactly how they have the speakers lined up in there, if they're shooting out a little bit towards the sides or anything like that, but it sounds super wide, super enveloping, great bass. Definitely seems like it's got some power and some wattage behind it, so I'm gonna let it charge all the way up. We're gonna put it up against probably the JBL Encore, the Harman Kardon Go Plus Play 3, and the Skullcandy Barrel XT for sure. So those will be coming in the very, very, very near future. Let me know what you guys think. What do you want to see it up against speaker-wise that I do have? So I have a lot of things. I do not have the JBL Boombox 3 right at the moment, and I'm still getting the Trivet Stormbox Blast back in. But I do have the UE Hyperboom, the Encore, the Skullcandy Barrel XT, the Monster Blaster 3.0, Harman Kardon Go Plus Play 3, and a few other ones as well. So let me know what you want to see next. This thing's sick though. It's on Amazon right now. You get like the 90%, it's like $90 off, so it's like $240, and it's seeming like it's very, very, very much worth that $240 that I paid for it. So let's freaking do this. Let's get it going up against some of these other speakers. I want to see if the sound changes at all with the volume being all the way up. I love that it's a fast charge USB-C. That's a huge plus for me because I can hook this up to my power bank and take it out with me, and it's going to last way longer than any of the other speakers that you have to have a barrel charger or any of those other chargers, you know? So huge plus already right there. Waterproof. It's heavy though. This is by far probably the heaviest speaker I have at almost 16 pounds. I think the rest are anywhere from like the 12 pounds to maybe 14 pounds or something like that. So it's a chunky boy. It is a chunky boy. But let's go ahead and put it up against a few other speakers. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.